Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience using the app. Today, we're exploring 7, a 7-minute workout app that's available at https://7.app. This app promises a full-body workout in just 7 minutes, making it a perfect fit for busy schedules. The concept is simple but effective, focusing on high-intensity circuit training with minimal rest between exercises. 7 provides a variety of pre-built workout routines, targeting different muscle groups or fitness goals. You can also customize your own workouts by selecting specific exercises that suit your needs and preferences. One of the key features of 7 is its personalized training plans. The app adapts to your fitness level and progress, gradually increasing the intensity and difficulty of the workouts. This ensures you're constantly challenging yourself and seeing results. 7 also offers a range of workout challenges and programs to keep you motivated and engaged. These can be a great way to add structure to your fitness journey and push yourself beyond your limits. Additionally, the app integrates with other health and fitness apps, allowing you to track your overall progress and seamlessly integrate 7 into your existing routines. Another notable aspect of 7 is its user-friendly interface. The app is easy to navigate, with clear instructions and visuals for each exercise. This makes it easy to follow along even if you're new to fitness apps. 7 also provides helpful tips and guidance on proper form and technique, minimizing the risk of injury and maximizing the effectiveness of your workouts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, 7 offers a convenient and accessible way to incorporate exercise into your daily life. Its short, effective workouts make it easy to squeeze in a session even on the busiest of days. Give it a try and see how just 7 minutes can make a difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new workout program.